Sweetheart. Sweetheart, I am surprised and shocked myself. When Igwe Joseph confided in me that Dorothy abandoned Matilda when she was just barely 3 months old and ran off to marry Rufus. Anyway, I am coming with them to Asaba in less than no time. Igwe Joseph is eager to see his daughter, whose circumstances have separated him from for a long time now. Actually, I'm driving back to my hotel suite to catch up some sleep. I'm so tired. I will call you back later. All right. Love you. Bye.
Remember saying nobody knows. Nobody knows. As they go, all the places they go, they gossip all the while, you gossip where you go. Remember saying nobody do pass. So make you do good.
My queen, I must tell you most sincerely, I am happy. I am happy.
Honestly, my joy knows no bounds. But I told you she's gonna come back.
You said so?
But, come to think of it, this world is such a small place. Tiola, a house care.
It's unfathomable, my queen.
What to think that a woman could abandon her 3 months old baby? Beats my imagination. What happened to her conscience? I can't imagine the kind of stuffs people do because of materialism. Well, I'm glad that finally Diola is coming back to where she rightfully belongs.
You can say that again.
That is my joy.
She's such a wonderful child.
I'm so happy. God has a way of doing his own things.
Right?
He in his wisdom brought Engineer Patrick your way.
You can say that again.
He made your path cross.
Well, to God be the glory.
I'm so happy. Thank you, Jesus.
Careful, man. I see.
I'm okay.
We're back in the United States.
I'm okay.
Always in church.
Hey! Thelma, you won't believe what my ears heard today.
Mommy, what's going on? Now talk to me. What's going on? You sounded so tense on phone.
Hey!
Mommy, talk to me now. What's going on?
Dorothy is fake. Dorothy has been living a fake life all this while. Hey!
Mom, I don't understand what you're talking about. How? Fake? How?
Finally, Nemesis has caught up with her.
Mommy, talk to me now. What are you talking about? Talk to me.
She is Matilda's mother. Hey!
Mom, Matilda's mother. How? The same girl she hates so much. It's not possible.
I heard she was once married.
Mommy, Auntie Dorothy was once married. How? No, Mommy, this can't be true. It's not...
Thelma, I heard she was once married to one king of Ozala Kingdom and abandoned him for Rufus.
Mommy, hold on. You mean Auntie Dorothy was married to King of Ozala Kingdom, Mommy, and nobody knew?
Even me, I couldn't believe it. If not that your father called me from Ozala Kingdom and told me that she was once married to the king and left him for Rufus. Hey!
Mommy, you mean Auntie Dorothy left a whole king of Ozala Kingdom
for Rufus?
Hey.
Anyway, from the story I heard, they said the man was very, very poor then, that he couldn't fend for Dorothy and her 3-month-old baby. That was why she left the marriage for Rufus.
Mommy, wait. You mean Auntie Dorothy left a 3-month-old baby all because of wealth?
The same man she left for Rufus is now the king of Ozala Kingdom. Hey!
And the same baby is in her house as her house help now.
That is the world for you. I heard that the king and his queen will be coming to Asaba by the weekend.
Hey, to take Matilda, of course.
Of course!
Poor Matilda. Finally, I'm so happy for her.
Love is gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, cause tomorrow is not sure. You don't even know what comes next. Oh, you don't even know. What woman? Be careful what you do, cause you don't even know.
This is my wife, Dorothy, my daughter, Olivia, and my son, Emmanuel.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, Olivia. Good afternoon, Emmanuel.
If your man can stand up.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I'm sure you all know her. She's Ijoma, member of our church. She's here to work for us as our new housemaid. You all know that Matilda is already engaged to Prince Afunwa, and she ceases to be the housemaid, so she's taken over from her. Okay.
Rufus.
Yes.
You just spoke gibberish.
What?
How could you go out of your way to get this thing without consulting me first?
Dorothy. Well, I don't know what your problem is, but in case you have forgotten, I am the head of this family. And I don't need your consent to execute anything, any action I want to carry out in my house. Okay?
I forgot! Head! Well, since you've said that Matilda ceases to be the house maid in this house anymore, her appointment has been terminated by my so-called husband. So, I want her to leave this house this minute before I do something silly.
Mom!
What?
Rachael, you shut up. She should leave. You're tired of her already.
Olivia, thank you. I am the owner of this house. Dorothy, this house belongs to me. And I decide whatever happens in the house. Yes. So Matilda stays until the prince comes to pay her bride price. Okay?
Oh my word. Some people should just go and hide themselves. Honestly. Rufus. You should just go and hide yourself in ignominy. You want to be father to that daughter of a lunatic when you can't even father a child?
Dorothy.
Yes?
What did you just say?
Exactly what you heard. You bloody impotent. What?
Did you just call me an impotent man?
You heard me. Very much. An infertile.
Mom, what?
I will slap you.
Are you leaving? Oh, you don't want to come and sit? No. The chair is empty. Come and sit to give instructions. That's enough. Will you shut up if I shut up? What is your problem? Why are you mumming me?
How do you speak to that
Why must I shut your mouth? What are you talking about? What am I not supposed to speak? What? Are you? What are you standing there doing? What? Sit there and watch. This way!
Sorry. Hey, come and carry your bag. Okay. Thank you. Mommy, take it easy. Mommy! You're going to watch yourself.
Do you? Matilda! Mommy! Fool! Get me a glass of water there! Okay, Mommy.
Where is this devil? Where is this devil second? Huh? Where are you? Now, you better tell me what I want to know. Now, start talking before I blow your head off. Dorothy, tell me what I want to know now. Before everyone here ends in a bloodbath. Dad, will you keep quiet? Where's your father? I said keep quiet. Now leave my line of fire.
Daddy, please. Daddy, please.
Just quiet! Get out from the line of fire before I fire through you. Now. Quiet! Stop talking now before I blow your fucking head off. Now. Stop talking before I blow your head off. Stop talking!
I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm so sorry, Rufus. In 2 years of our marriage, you couldn't get me pregnant.
So I decided to end the issue of our childlessness on my own decision. So I brought in my lover. I brought in Jerry, whom I told you was my younger brother. We made love at virtually every corner of the house we were living in back then, including our matrimonial bed. Before you could say, Jack, I found out that I've missed my period. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you.
I was expecting that to giggle you. That's
That's
why I was thinking.
That's why I said that.
Yeah, of course. Honey, where would you like us to spend enjoy our Valentine this year?
Valentine this year.
Yes.
You give me a little time to give you an answer.
Oh, I thought you already had a place in mind.
I have many places in mind if you don't know. I have many places in mind.
All right.
But I'm looking for the best.
Okay. You can take all the time you want to look for a better place for us to go to. Honey. Babe, are you alright? Are you all right? I've noticed you throwing up lately. I think you should go visit the doctor.
Doctor?
Yes.
Sweetie, I'm fine. It's probably something I ate that is turning my tummy, but I'm alright. I'll be fine.
You keep saying you're fine. You keep saying you'll be alright, but I'm worried. I'm worried. You know, I married a beautiful woman. I should be worried about her health.
I'll be fine.
I know you'll be. Okay, bring your leg up here.
I told you I'll be fine.
Well, that brings me to saying I insist you go visit our doctor. Let him run tests on you. I want to be certain what is wrong with you. I cannot rest until you're fine.
Okay, I told you not to worry too much. But if you insist, I'll go see the doctor.
Fine. Sounds better.
Are you happy now?
Of course. Have a sip of this to revitalize your system. Yeah, that's good.
Thank you.
I am thinking I should drink from yours rather than... Oh, come on. It's my lovely woman.
You cheat too much and I don't like it.
Oh, baby, if I take your thing, you shouldn't be complaining.
Cheesy.
Honey.
Oh, no. The Lord has got it.
It is it that the Lord has done.
Honey, see, open it. Oh my God.
What is this about, baby?
Honey, open it.
What?
You're pregnant.
Could this be for real?
Yes. I'm saying so it's gone.
Ah! Baby, you're pregnant! I'm so happy. Thank you.
You're going to be a father.
Yes, I know I'm going to be a father. Please come and sit down. Oh my...
Oh my
Baby,
God, I'm so happy.
I know, I'm glad myself, okay? You know what, this calls for celebration. Just sit here, let me go get us a bottle of champagne. Okay. Alright? I'll be back.
Oh my God, oh my God. It's our vanity.
such a vanity.
This morning, I almost died of guilt. I regret everything every time. I wanted to tell you everything, but I found out that you were happy. I don't want to spoil your joy, and I did not want Jerry to find out what happened. So I pressurized you to do papers for Jerry to fly him abroad. For a bit when I just did America. I don't want people to find out that you're important. I really want to make your shame. Because I believe your shame will also my shame. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. All I've done was to protect your interest and your lineage. I'm sorry. Please. Please.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you. What does it pay to be the way you are? You kill the joy around you. Vanity, such a vanity. Infidelity is such a vanity.
Honey? Honey, where are you? Baby? Honey? Sweetheart, where are you?
Honey, you're awake?
Where did you go?
I heard some noise. I heard some noise, then I went to check what it was.
Noise, you say?
Noise, yes. I heard some noise. Some policemen, they were in the neighborhood. Yes, they were in the neighborhood to arrest someone. That cocaine dealer.
Which cocaine dealer?
The one next door.
Oh, that's nuisance.
Yes, so, you know they went to his house to arrest him, but they did not even see him there. They know how to arrest a lady they saw in his house. Can you imagine? Yes.
But honey, you shouldn't have gone out alone. You know it's not safe to go out at night alone. You should have woken me up at least. I should have gone with you.
Yes, I know, but you said you were tired. So I didn't want to disturb.
I'll come to you. Let's go back to bed, alright? I woke up and I was
so
just
sorry.
looking everywhere for you.
So sorry.
Well, let's sleep, okay? My sweet pie. A real cuteness.
I started pressurizing you every day. To send Jerry to US to better his life as my kid brother. Because I had wanted to cover what I did. I don't want it to be in the light. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I had to make you go through that. I'm sorry I had to do all this under your nose. I'm sorry I couldn't get myself to tell you about the importance. I did all that because of fear that if Jerry finds out, he might start making troubles over our babies.
Honey, can I talk to you?
What is it?
Honey, it's about what I told you concerning my brother Jerry.
Dorothy, please don't start.
Sweetheart, please. It's better than staying here doing nothing. Let him go out there and find something doing for himself, please.
Dorothy, your brother is a graduate. Let him go out there and search for a job.
I know. He has done that already and he did not succeed. You know there is no job in this country.
Who said so? Who said there's no job in this country, Dorothy? Look, if he can't get a job, let him create one. He can become an entrepreneur for crying out loud. Look, there is no tree abroad that produces money. Listen, people abroad work for every money they earn. Please, don't mind those youths that travel abroad with drugs. The moment they are caught, they get killed.
Sweetie, please. Just help him travel abroad. Please. Please. Please.
I'll think about it.
Thank you. Smile for me now.
Sorry.
You're such a darling.
Just do what you like.
Don't worry, I'm going to get you. I know what to get you.
You always know how to make me smile even when I'm broke. Politics, religion,
Oh my God.
You're so sweet.
That was amazing. You really know how to give it to me the way I love it.
That is because I am a real man, not a weakling.
Look at him boast.
Am I lying?
No.
Come to think of it, that Rufus of a man is a fool.
Jerry, did you just call a man to stay in his house, eat his food, and drive his cars foolish?
It is only a foolish man that will live under the same roof with a man who is sleeping with his wife without him knowing.
Jerry, in as much as I enjoy your services, I will not tolerate you insult my husband in any way. Don't do that.
I've heard you, Ma. But Dorothy, your husband is rich. Why are you being so stingy? Settle and let me leave this house. Settle and let me live here in peace. Because I am not going to leave this house without being settled. He has to pay me for doing what he cannot do.
Which is?
Servicing you, of course.
Jerry, you are very stupid.
I know.
You are an ingrate, an idiot. Look at you.
Hey. Just do well to convince him to take me out of this country. Else!
Else what?
I will talk.
What?
I will expose our illicit affair. I will make him understand the kind of lifestyle his loving wife is living with her so-called brother.
That's my husband. That's my husband.
Yeah, Jerry, how are you? Is that a royal cuteness? The princess of my life.
Welcome, honey. It's good to have you back.
Yes.
Welcome back.
It's fine.
I've missed you.
Yeah, I know.
How was it then?
Well, I had a hectic day at work.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What I need now is warm bath and good rest.
Okay. Okay. You go do that. I have a surprise for you.
You do? Love the sound of that.
I made your favorite.
Woo! Let's go see. Come, let's see. Before we go there, come, let's go.
You go freshen up.
Come on, let's just calm down.
You know I did.
Of course. Only, let's I forget. Tell your brother Jerry to present his passport to me first thing tomorrow morning before I leave the house.
His passport?
Yes,
wait,
his passport.
Honey, you're not joking, right?
Oh, come on, I'm not joking.
You're not joking.
You've been pressuring me to send your brother abroad, and I'm ready to send him abroad. Anything for you, of course, I know.
Thank you. Oh my God.
It's fine. Anything for you, only.
You're such a darling.
Can I go now?
Let me fix your meal.
It's alright. Please, let me go with this one while you prepare my favorite. Okay?
Done.
I'll be waiting for my favorite.
Done.
Such a vanity.
Oh my God.
How does it feel to live the way you do? You had the world around you.
Can you see the difference? I don't understand. In the video, I mean.
So this hairstyle, which one?
I'll say I prefer the former one. It makes him look more unique. You can see it. What?
No, I think I like this one better.
You say you're politely disagreeing with me, right?
You aired your own opinion. I just said mine. I'm not disagreeing with you.
It's fine. Sweetness, can you please call your brother?
Jerry! Jerry!
Yes?
Yes, good evening, Jerry. Yeah, you're welcome, Jerry.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Sister, you called me?
Oh yes, my husband called you.
Yeah, Jerry. I got your traveling documents. Of course, you can have it. It's yours. You're not serious, sir? They are your traveling documents.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, my God will continue to bless you. My God will continue to bless your family. Your business will continue to grow. Thank you. Hey, sister. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey. Hey. Wow. Yes. Hey.
Thank you so much, honey.
That's okay. Anything for you, of course. And you, Jerry.
Sir.
Please. It's all right, Jerry. Remember something. Over there, you meet the good, the bad, and the ugly. I trust you'll be a good boy, right?
Sure, I will. I promise to be the good boy I have always been.
That's fine.
Thank you, sir.
Hey. And one more thing. When you travel over there, please do not forget your family. Okay? That's very important.
Sure, I will not. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Both emotionally and psychologically ready for this trip.
He's been pining over this for a very long time.
It's obvious. Come on, baby.
Thank you so much.
We've accomplished one thing together.
Two years after I gave birth to Olivia, I couldn't get pregnant. And Jerry was long gone to the United States of America. I brought in Maxwell, another boyfriend of mine. Maxwell. I used Maxwell to get pregnant for Emmanuel. I told you he was my cousin. Maxwell is Emmanuel's father. I'm sorry. But that was all for you.
Vanity, vanity,
I'm sorry.
such a vanity. It's a vanity, vanity. Infidelity, infidelity. It's such a vanity.
You fooled me. You've been fooling me all this while. Today is your last day in this house. Now, get out of this house before I blow your head off. Zaki!
What does it pay?
Zaki!
You are, you kill the joy around you. Tell me,
Zaki!
vanity, 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 such a vanity.
Go upstairs with her, get her things, and let her get out of my house this minute. Now!
Nothing's gonna last forever. Nobody will stay on top forever. Be mindful of what you do today, 'cause tomorrow is not sure.
Zaki! Oh yeah!
Which khaki? The one that you brought from your father's house? Will you stop begging? What have you done? What have you done? Move! How can you beg on behalf of this devil? Devil's incarnate! Beg from now to tomorrow.
Proud woman, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. Wild woman, be careful what you do. Be careful what you do right now. Tomorrow's gonna come.
Engineer Patrick,
Chief Rufus,
what brings you here?
this is Igwe Joseph Omekanaya, the king of Osala Kingdom. He's here to see his daughter, Maltreated.
Really?
Yes.
His daughter Matilda?
Exactly.
But they said Matilda is an orphan. How come her father is a king?
Well, that's what we are meant to believe. But after hearing his story, I decided to bring him here. He was married to Dorothy when he was nobody. He just left University of Lagos as an accountant then. He was working with a firm. And when he lost his job, he could now fend for his wife and the newborn baby, Deola.
Mom, who is Deola?
Mom, who is Deola? What is going on here?
Mom. Deola. Mom, you're confusing me. Who is Deola?
Adiola!
Mom?
She's my daughter. What? Rufus.
Mom, you mean you abandoned your 3-month-old baby and ran away to marry Dad?
Rufus.
What?
This is Jojo Amani. Matilda's father.
Jojo Amani? Are you Joseph?
Chief Rufus, I know he did not recognize me.
So, how come you are now a king?
Well, yes. A lot happened after my former wife, Dorothy, here abandoned my 3-month-old baby Deola and ran away.
Dorothy? I never knew she was married, let alone having a child. What have you done, Dorothy?
I don't know.
For you everywhere as soon as I came back from the States. I tried to look for you.
Matilda, please. No. She can't be my mother. She can't be my mother. But I am.
So
I'm not an orphan.
you're not.
It's okay, stop crying. It's okay.
Indeed, you're a good man. I heard how you have loved her like your own daughter. But I didn't love her like my daughter. I love her as my daughter because she is my daughter and she remains my daughter anytime, any day.
Sorry. Hey.
I hate you, Mom. I hate you.
Oh, Dorothy. Dorothy.
I'm happy that you're back to your roots. The people of Ozara ancient kingdom await your return.
You have to stop this. You are hurting yourself.
Let me go in and prepare something for you to eat. Oh, Daddy, you have to stand up. You have to stand up. Seriously, it can't be like this. Stand. You have to sit. Daddy, please.
If you want me to sit, you have to carry.
I'm carrying you now. Help yourself. Hey. Go. Now let me go and make your food, oh?
You are infertile. You've been living with strangers in your house. Why?
Yes. Matilda. She's here. Matilda. 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 Matilda.
Oh. She is my daughter that I told you. Her mother abandoned when she was 3 months old and ran off to marry Rufus.
My good friend, Igwe Joseph, on behalf of my son, Prince Afonwa Elotanna, the Crown Prince of Okonkwo land, may I seek your permission to announce to this household that will be coming in 3 days' time for the formal introduction and wine carrying.